In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries in QuickBooks Online. This process is a lifesaver for those of you who want to streamline your accounting tasks and ensure your books are always up to date. QuickBooks Online makes it relatively straightforward to import your data, but it's always helpful to have a guiding voice to ensure you don't miss a step. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account. You'll typically find a sign in button at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online homepage. Click that, and if you're prompted, choose QuickBooks Online among any available options. Input your login credentials, your email or username and password, and hit continue. Once you're logged into your account, the next destination is your settings. This is your control center for various functionalities within QuickBooks Online. Hover your cursor over the gear icon, this represents settings, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Import Data. This setting brings you to a new window dedicated to data import processes. Here, you'll be guided to choose the record type you want to import. Since today we're focusing on journal entries, select journal entries from the available options. This selection specifies to QuickBooks that you intend to upload financial transactions that are not tied directly to invoices or payments. With your record type selected, you should see an option to click on Import. This step initiates the actual process of bringing your data into QuickBooks. You'll then be prompted to locate the CSV file on your computer. This file is where all your journal entries are stored, so navigate through your folders to find it. Once located, double-click to upload it to QuickBooks Online. Now comes a critical step, mapping out your data fields. QuickBooks needs to understand how the information in your CSV file corresponds to the fields within its system. Take your time here, carefully match up your column headers from the CSV with those in QuickBooks. Proper data mapping ensures that each entry lands in the right place, avoiding potential headaches later on. Finally, you're ready to complete the import. Review everything one last time, and when you feel confident that all fields are mapped correctly, click on Import. This action will signal QuickBooks to gather the data from your CSV file and integrate it into your financial records. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully imported your journal entries into QuickBooks Online. This process saves time and reduces the risk of errors from manual data entry. Remember, a bit of patience and attention to detail goes a long way in ensuring a smooth import. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your accounting processes a little more seamless.